Hi, I'm David, owner of my Automotive Refinishing Specialist Corporation and developer of the ForcedG.R.I.T magnetic sanding system, patent pending. Today I'll walk you through a complete Bondo repair, from cured filler to a primer-ready finish with precision and speed. Grind to bare metal, clean the area, apply filler, and let it fully cure. Phase 2, magnetic controlled shaping. Attach 180 grit paper to the ForcedG.R.I.T sanding block. This increases magnetic G-force, making 180 grit behave like 100 to 120 grit for rapid shaping. Begin with side-to-side strokes. The tool's magnetic field pulls the block flush against the surface, keeping it perfectly parallel to the panel. No hand pressure needed. That self-alignment means the block stays level, even if your wrist angle drifts. You get fewer gouges, cleaner lines, and smoother shaping. No need to switch sandpaper between stages. The adjustable magnetic force does that for you. This saves materials and boosts profit. Now reverse direction with vertical passes to form a crosshatch pattern. Add a dry guide coat to instantly highlight low spots. The patent-pending magnetic design self-corrects in real time. As you sand, it keeps the block balanced, automatically adjusting pressure across high and low spots. That makes your first passes up to 3 times faster than traditional methods, with smoother transitions and better control. Even on vertical panels, the magnetic field keeps your strokes consistent. Less wrist strain, less fatigue, more precision. Check your shape with a contour gauge or your bare hand. Thanks to the magnetically guided stroke path, you'll feel a cleaner, flatter contour much earlier. Now work over curves and body lines. Hold the block lengthwise, feather with light motion. The magnetic pressure will prevent edge bite, letting you stay tight to the shape without gouging it. ForcedG.R.I.T isn't just a sanding tool, it's an alignment system. One that adapts instantly across filler, primer, or bare metal, giving you unmatched control and repeatable results. This is the first sanding device ever to feature magnetic enhancement for controlled, self-aligning surface work. No paper switching required. And it's 3 times faster than traditional methods. Fully patent pending. You'll use fewer sheets of paper, apply less pressure, and finish this stage significantly faster. Here's an insider tip. By dialing the magnetic force up or down, you tailor the sanding aggressiveness precisely. This means you can fine-tune the block's behavior on different filler thicknesses or complex curves without changing paper grit or tool. Plus, the magnetically enhanced block minimizes dust buildup because the consistent pressure prevents digging and clogging. This keeps your sandpaper cleaner, lasting longer. Over time, this translates into reduced consumables cost and less downtime for paper changes, which directly boosts your shop's profitability and workflow efficiency. Remember, traditional blocks rely solely on hand pressure and feel, making it harder to keep a consistent angle and smooth shape. ForcedG.R.I.T's magnetic alignment removes guesswork, making it easier to train new technicians to achieve professional results fast. Phase 3, surface refinement. Switch to setting 3 to restore the paper's natural 180 grit feel. Now you're refining contours and softening transitions. Sweeping strokes to blend filler into bare metal. Feather the edges gently, because what you feel now will show up in primer. Phase 4, final smoothing and DA prep. Dial to setting 4. This softens the action, making 180 grit behave like 260 to 300 grit. Now lightly smooth out all surface transitions across filler, metal, and feathered zones. This step gives you that even skin feel before final DA work. Follow with a DA sander and 320 grit disc. Feather 2 to 4 inches past the repair. You're creating the perfect landing zone for primer. With ForcedG.R.I.T pending, you sand smarter, faster, and with total control. Your hands guide the shape, but the magnet ensures the precision. Wrap up. Let's get it primed. You save time, save paper, and shaped with accuracy. That's the power of magnetic alignment. Only from ForcedG.R. Let's Get It Primed.